We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments and to cherish the words which shall unite Erin and McKenzie.
That's my dress! You did it again? What do you mean? It's the same. It looks exactly the same. Oh my God.
Today I stand before you to express the depth of my feelings and make promises that will last a lifetime. Throughout our years together, we have shared countless memories and experiences that have shaped us into who we are today. From keeping our relationship a secret before I was out, to taking the leap and moving to a new state together, we have faced challenges and triumphs hand in hand.
Kenz, I've struggled for so long trying to figure out what I want to say. How do I sum up all my thoughts and feelings for you, our relationship, our life we created together? And I remembered this. You've had my attention since the beginning and constantly keep me grinning. 4 months and 270 miles away, you are what gets me through every day. You have all of me, I will soon make you see. You and I always, I love you for the rest of our days.
Can I turn around? Oh, look at that. Wow. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
God. Look at Erin. My God. Y'all are so beautiful.
You can say hi to her too.
Come here, Erin.
Give me a cry.
Oh my God.
Watch the train. Never in my wildest dreams did I think I would find someone so perfect, so patient, and so selfless. There has not been one single second in the almost 6 years we have been together that I haven't felt you in my corner, that I haven't felt protected, taken care of, valued, and looked at like I put the stars in your sky, even on the days we had to work really hard together to get through.
What I love and admire about you is your incredible capacity for caring. You not only care for me with such tenderness and devotion, but you extend that love to others as well. It is a gift to be the recipient of your love.
Watch the ocean kiss the moon. Run away.
Not many people get to say they have the kindest, most beautiful, selfless sister in the entire world. But McKenzie, I'm so glad you get to say that.
Erin and McKenzie also keep each other in check every single day. No matter the hour, no matter the distance between them, they have created a safe space for one another, allowing them to fully love and appreciate each other in a way that makes everyone gag.
I promise to always love you unconditionally through the ups and downs and to always put our relationship above all else. I promise to be there for you, to listen, and try to communicate openly even in the midst of disagreements. And above all, I promise to remind you every day of my love for you. Today, I give you not only my heart but also my soul as we commit to building a life filled with love, laughter, and endless adventures. You are my rock, my partner, and my best friend, and I am forever grateful to have you by my side. I love you.
I can't wait to spend forever watching you grow and evolve into even more than you already have. I can't wait for the forever family Christmases, the bickers I get to listen and laugh at between you, Morgan, and your parents. I can't wait to see the different places we'll travel, the children we'll raise, and all the good and the bad in between. I can't wait to see where else we go in this world together, because like I told you from the very beginning, wherever you go, I go. Just you and I until the end of time.
By the virtue and authority vested in me by the state of Tennessee, I now pronounce you married. You may now seal the marriage and kiss.
Missing piece we both needed. Okay, there's nothing like having a sister, and I'm so thankful to be adding another. Thank you for letting us all be a part of your love story. Okay, that's all I got. I love you both, and cheers to Kenzie and Erin. The time and dedication that they have put into the relationship truly shows how much they love and care for each other. So let's raise our glasses to the beautiful brides. And remember, as you embark on this journey together, take time to savor each moment and create everlasting memories. To the ball!